Hello, Roy's Food Repair. Uh-huh. Yeah, eggs. Yeah, we fix them. Well, are they broken all the way, or are they just cracked? Okay, well, that's good. Just bring them right in. All righty, then. Don't worry. Oh, Mrs. Lardner, how are you today?
Oh, pretty good.
Ooh, what do we got here?
Oh, take a look at this. Either Michael or Jennifer, I don't know which, they both denied anyway. One of them reached up on the counter and just gouged out a handful of cake.
Oh, boy.
It's for the St. Anne's bake sale, and frankly, I can't bring it in like this.
Well, I don't think it's that big a problem. What I'm going to do is I'm going to extract some cake from the center here, and I'll fill in the damaged area. Yeah. With frosting. Boy, oh boy, they really gouged it, huh?
Yeah, they really have.
Well, what I'll do is I'll smooth it out. I think I got a can of that color in the back. I'll go around the whole perimeter with it. It'll be fixed up for you, no problem.
Oh, Roy, really, how can I... Look, you're a peach.
Oh, come on.
When you think I could pick it up by 5?
How's 4 o'clock?
Oh, you kid.
Have a good day now. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Yeah, Roy.
Hi, Rudy. What is it today?
Well, it's this piece of cinnamon toast.
Uh-huh. Let me take a look.
Well, okay, here's what's going, eh? I'm carrying it in the TV room, and next thing I know, flat on my back, things on the carpet, buttery side down.
Oh, yeah.
I think it's got lint and stuff all over it.
Oh, you got lots of lint on that.
Yeah.
A lot of lint. Okay, Rudy, tell you what I'm going to do.
Shoot.
I'm going to drop this in some liquid nitrogen and freeze it solid. And I'm going to take it out back, and I'm going to sandblast it. Just about 1 millimeter or so, you know, get it right off for you.
Okay.
Then I'll throw it under the heat lamp. You'll have this toasted and ready to go at about 4 o'clock.
Hey, you're a heck of a guy. Thanks for helping me out.
Rudy, you take care.
Bye-bye.
What are we going to do with this here turkey?
Oh, what? Wow, what is that?
Oh, this is the one that... Remember Ray Gaddis? He had it for Thanksgiving. He carved it up, then he decides, I don't want turkey, I want ham.
I know, I remember.
You had to put it all back together again.
Well, it's well past 30 days. Throw it out.
Oh, well, I don't think he's going to like it, though.
Well, you tell Ray Gaddis if you got a complaint, you come and see me.
All right, Rob.
I'm tired of this. He's done that for the last 4 Thanksgivings in a row.
You yell at me.
I am not yelling at you. I'm yelling at Ray Gaddis.
Don't yell at all.
Guy's got a lot of nerve. Hi, how are you?
Hi.
Can I help you?
Well, I sure hope so. I bought this bag of pretzels, new, and we were out on a boat, and I don't know if maybe it was the vibration of the engine or whatever, but it's dislodged all of the salt off of the pretzels, and now it's all accumulated down at the bottom of the bag.
Oh, all down there.
So, I mean, we're pretty much a salt with our pretzel family, and I'm just hoping your expertise can bail me out.
I'm going to be honest with you. I'd go buy another bag of pretzels.
Really?
Look, I'll tell you. You see, these pretzels are made by machines. And machines put on the salt. Now, I could do the work, but it's by hand. It's 1 grain of salt at a time. Now, that's man-hours. That's a lot of man-hours, even if I gave you a real good deal.
How much would it be if we just, let's say you did it with...
Top of my head, I'm saying $90, you know, 80,
Oh, well.
80, 90, I don't know. That's a lot of work in there.
What is it? It was only $1.09.
This is what I'm saying, you know.
Yeah, well, I see your point.
You know, I tell you what you might do. You might take an ad out in the paper. You never know. An elderly couple on a low-salt diet, they might have bought a bag by mistake. You know, it happens. And maybe they'll swap or something.
Yeah, well...
You know, nothing ventured, you know.
Well, maybe.
Okay.
Anyway.
Hey, I'm real
Thanks.
sorry. You know, I'd rather be straight with you, you know. I'd like your business sometime.
I appreciate it.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm real sorry.
Yeah.
I'm real sorry. You take care now. Good luck with those. All right. Nice guy. Nice guy. Like him. Oh, boy. Roy's Food Repair. Yeah, hello. What's that? Sushi? No, sorry. Sorry. We don't do Japanese food here, I'm sorry. No, if you send that back to the plant, though, no, they will take care of it there. All righty. Bye-bye.
Hello, girls. How are you?
Good. All right.
Are we pretty today?
Do you fix Mexican food here?
We sure do. What do you got?
Well, all right. We were going to make tacos for our boyfriends, right? And then the guy at the supermarket put the tomatoes on top of the taco shells, and now they're all broken. I don't know.
Boy, those guys, I tell you, they don't train them anymore. All right, let's take a look at this. Well, this should be no problem at all. See, I can handle that. There's a couple pieces there. And this... What do you got on here?
Oh, well...
You got masking tape on this. You put masking tape on this.
Well, at first we tried to fix them ourselves.
You tried to fix them yourself. Well, let me give you a piece of advice, all right? Next time you bring something into this shop, leave it to the experts, will you? You could have hurt yourself on this. You don't have the tools. You're not trained.
We're sorry. All right, we're sorry. Sorry.
I'm sorry, too. Let me see those smiles. Huh? Let me see them. Come on, there they are. $1 million smiles. I can have these for you at noon. I'm sorry I barked at you like that. It's been a rough day. No problem on these.
Thank you very much, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Cute couple kids.
I got one.
Thank you.
Yellow.
Boy.
What? Oh, my God.
What is it?
Yeah, I'll tell him.
What?
Yeah.
Tell me what? What is it? You look white as a sheet. What is it?
Roy, that was the sheriff. A stoker's truck jackknifed on Route 22. They got frozen dinners all over the highway.
All right. All right, don't panic. Don't panic. You go warm up the car. I'll get all my equipment. Come on, let's go. Come on, time's wasting. Don't freeze on me, honey. Don't freeze on me.